ride my Barclays bike and cycle down the pavement, following the Thames. I arrive at the embankment and the view takes my breath away. Although I see it every day, this place I call my home, this city that invites the world to stay. Queen winning gold in the park, stand up in the Houses of Parliament and get back in time for the changing of the guards. Relive the history through the winding cobbled streets, or get on down,